Step by step along the shore, where the breakers kiss the land, with a rucksack on my tired back and the salt upon my hand. There's a path that hugs the ragged edge, where the rocks meet restless blue, and the gulls fly low like ghost white guides, showing me what's true. High above, a silent wing follows every mile I roam, from the sky and from the sand below. Scotland feels like home, and I walk where the sea forever sings, round the long and winding coastline, where the wild tide brings and brings, from the white sand bays to the cliffs so steep, where the cold waves thunder and roar. I'll follow this road that the shoreline weaves, step by step around the shore. There's the croft with the peat smoke curling thin, and the harbor quiet at dawn, and the fishermen mending herring nets till the early light is gone. From above the world looks small and kind, like a painting brushed in grey, but down here the stones are hard and real, and they guide me on my way. And I walk where the sea forever sings, round the long and winding coastline, where the wild tide brings and brings, from the soft white sand to the iron black rock, where the breakers batter the door. I'll follow this thread around Scotland's edge, step by step around the shore. Sometimes the path just fades away, and I'm trusting heart and heel. Sometimes the waves come crashing close, and the cold cuts sharp as steel. But the sky opens wide like a friendly hand, and the clouds roll slow and grand, and I know wherever that coastline bends, I'll follow it round this land. So I walk with the sea beside my soul, and the hills stand guard in the distance, silent, ancient, hold, from the islands lost to the mainland roads, to the places I've never seen before. I'll carry the song of the wind with me, step by step around the shore. I've walked where the white waves whisper low, on sands the sunlight warms, and I've climbed the cliffs where the black rocks rise like giants in the storms, with the seabirds as my company, and the salt upon my skin. Scotland's edge is a living thing, and it draws me further in. So raise your voice to the windswept shore, let the wild tide carry the tune once more, from the white sand bays to the cliffs so high, where the sea meets earth and the seabirds cry. Oh, Scotland's coast, I'm wandering you with an open heart and boots well worn. of old that no tongue soon forgets. From above the world looks small and kind, like a painted gentle dream. But down here the spray and the weather's bite are truer than they seem. So raise your voice to the windswept shore, let the wild tide carry the tune once more. From the white sand bays to the cliffs so high, where the sea meets earth and the seabirds cry. Oh, Scotland's coast, I'm wandering you with an open heart and boots well worn too, and I'll sing this song forevermore, for the windswept line of your endless shore. And if the rain comes driving in and the dark clouds crowd the sky, I'll wrap my coat, keep walking on, with the storm just passing by. For every gale that blows my way just makes the fire burn strong, and every mile of battered rock becomes another